Hey guys, welcome to day 26 of 100 Days of Code. Today, we're going to be learning all about list and dictionary comprehensions. This is something that's actually really unique to the Python language, and it's something that's going to cut down on a lot of the code that we have to write when we're working with lists and dictionaries. And by the end of today, we will build a project to use the NATO phonetic alphabet so that we can spell out various things on the telephone. For example, whenever you need to give your name and you have to spell it out, they might not hear which letter you've said. So normally you'll say something like A for Alpha, N for November, G for Golf. This is what we're aiming to create, a program that works in the console, and it allows us to enter a word. So for example, I'll just put in my name, which I happen to have to spell over the phone many times, and I hit enter, then it'll return a list of all of the NATO phonetic alphabet that matches each of the letters in my name. So I can just read it out to the other person over the phone, Alpha November Golf Echo Lima Alpha. And that way I can use this little tool and be able to spell any word I want easily using the NATO phonetic alphabet. So I hope you're excited to learn about this big topic of comprehensions. And once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and let's get started.